apologies for the angle and how like I'm too short to actually fit into it. We're supposed to be making chocolate chip cookies, right? We have no eggs and we have no chocolate chip. My little sister and my older brother's just gone to go get the rest of the ingredients that we need. While they're gone, I'm gonna start doing the other things with the butter and everything. Printed out the recipe because, you know, it means technology, am I right? So I need to preheat the oven. 180, turn it on. 152 grams of butter. Got myself some butter. Gonna unwrap it. Ooh, sticky. It's so slimy. How much do I need? As if. That's exactly the amount. Is that? Yeah, it's alright. Oh, I'm getting all this grease in my hair. Gonna go wash my hands again. So now I need 100 grams of soft brown white sugar. Good. Oh, balls. Oh, there's so much sugar in this recipe. Some sugar. We need 125. Measuring queen, am I right? Oh, shit. Just dust it. Okay. It's fine, nobody will notice. Nobody will know. Probably lost just like 5 grams of sugar there. I need to cream that together. I need a creamer. Oh, spatula. I've made this recipe before. I'm going to use these tins. I'm going to make 2 medium-sized, well, still pretty large cookies. Broke up from school like a week ago for the 6-week holidays. I am extremely excited to not have to do anything. This is really hard to put together, oh my god. Calm down. Say hi. Wait, what? Thank you. Need 1 egg. I cracked it. Ew. Why is it so squishy? That is strong. So now I need to sift the flour in. It says sift in, but like, no. Don't start, Titch. Hey, Bruce! Shush! Look, Bruce! Titch! Shut up now. Teach! I swear. No. Just dropped a knife on my toe. I just dropped a knife on my toe. Sharp knife. No, but it hurt. Ow! Hey. I think you're too short to be seen in camera. Hello. Oh my god, again. Yeah, this is the thing. Look at me. I'm such a good wife material.